Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kagam. Today I want to walk you guys through my new parcel that I got from LUISA by ROMA. I ordered some jewelry, so I'd love to show you what I got. So without further ado, let's just get started. I need to open it up. You can see here it has this sign. It says opened and resealed by customs. Every single parcel here will be like opened again, like when they customs will open it, okay, and then they will look it through. So you'll never get like an item that's never like been opened. It will always be like opened. Just open it up. So this is a true unboxing. This is the receipt from LUISA by ROMA and DHL. It's really cool. It says like origin Florence, destination Dar es Salaam, which is pretty cool. So because I have done like my fancy nails, I don't want to get in trouble with my nails, so let me show you. I'm trying to think like how to open this without ruining my nails. So here we go. Let me do a little bit of it off camera because I swear I'm gonna like end up ruining like a lot of it. Hey, I'm back. So I managed to open most of it. So let's open it up. This is the receipt from LUISA by ROMA. The delivery note. This is the packaging. It's kind of cute. It's all with all this like paper here. It says LUISA by ROMA there. Don't know if you can see that. I'll put some pictures on the screen of what I end up getting. This is cute. Wow, look at that. So let's start off here with what I got from Maria Black. I'm really impressed with the packaging. The Maria Black packaging is way better than the Rosantica one. I guess because it is like a fine jewelry piece. And then there are these like LUISA by ROMA cards. I'll look through that in a second. So this is the Maria Black packaging. Maria Black is a Danish and Irish jeweler. She is from Copenhagen, so she's half Danish, half Irish. So yeah, here we are. It's really cute, beautiful packaging. Packaging looks like sherbet. Okay. I didn't see the ear cuff for a second. Here it is. It's just a cute little ear cuff. I don't know if you can see it. I'll add some cutaway pictures. I'm not going to try and put it on now because I will add like cutaways, but here I just want to show you. This is the ear cuff. I don't know how well you can see it on here, so I'll add some pictures because I'm obviously sitting outside of the veranda. So this is my new sterling silver ear cuff. So it's sterling silver, but it's gold plated, and the sterling silver is recycled. It's really, really cute. Okay, I'll add some mod shots of this on my Facebook page, so make sure you go follow me there. So as I said, I got this ear cuff from Maria Black, who is a Danish and Irish jeweler. She makes a lot of things in recycled sterling silver, but it's gold plated. So this is gold plated, but it's actually sterling silver, but plated within gold. I really love the packaging. Packaging is top tier. It's very luxurious packaging. So this is the packaging. Just put the cuff there, and then you put it on here like this, and it says Maria Black. I wanted to show you these hoop earrings that I'm thinking of getting from her. I'll insert a picture here. These are some hoop earrings. Again, the same thing. It's recycled sterling silver, so it's fine jewelry, but it's gold plated. But it's fine jewelry. It's not costume. Let me know what you think about it. I'd love to know what you think. So the next thing that I got is from an Italian brand called Rosantica. I believe this brand is from Milan. They make these like very popular sparkly bags that are really popular on TikTok, but they also make costume jewelry. So I ordered these earrings. I have to kind of open them. They look very important. They have... Okay, I get it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to like disassemble them. I'll disassemble them later. It's gonna take me a little bit of time because they have all these like stressy things on them. I'll take some mod shots as well. Like I said, I'll put them on my Facebook page and on Instagram because they have all these things on them, and I don't want to take them off now. Oh, actually, I guess I could take them off with the scissors. I just don't want to break anything. So let me just do that. 1 second. He's like, okay, cool. That's one piece. They're these really cute costume jewelry hoop earrings. They're adorable. I love them. We're obsessed with them. And this is how they look. They're so cute. I saw these on the website. Again, I'll add in some pictures and some inserts. Sorry, that was the plastic thing falling off. I'll add in some pictures so that you can see. Because I think if you see, but I'll do the pictures later so you can see them here. These are so cute, and this is costume jewelry. Now, this is costume jewelry. What I got from Maria Black, which is in here, is fine jewelry. So this is, I think it will say it on here, but I don't know. It's not going to say it on there. But this is all the DHL stuff. Okay. Yeah, so basically, this is costume jewelry. Okay. And then the ear cuff, which is in here, is recycled sterling silver. Okay. It's recycled sterling silver, but that's gold plated. So this is fine jewelry and this is costume jewelry, because at the end of the day, it's still recycled sterling silver, even though it's gold plated. You know that there's some jewelry brands that'll do like gold plated brass. I still feel like gold plated brass is still kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like costume jewelry, but it's not costume jewelry at the same time. But this is costume jewelry because this is just brass. But this is recycled sterling silver that's gold plated, which I've already shown you. The ear cuff and the hoop earrings. Tell me what you think. Okay, so those are the pieces that I got from LUISA by ROMA. So like I said, Maria Black ear cuff. They call it the mono earring, but it's an ear cuff. And then the Rosantica pearl costume jewelry earrings. Obviously, it's not a real pearl or anything like that. They're so cute though. I can't wait to start wearing these. I think I'll start wearing these. I'll wear them to church on the weekend, and I'll start wearing the ear cuff as well. So yeah, I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I love LUISA by ROMA. You guys, this is not sponsored. I know the girls are sponsored, honey. I am not one of them. However, I will happily spend my very hard-earned Tanzanian shillings with them. They have everything centralized in this, like, I think in their location in Florence, because LUISA by ROMA is from Florence. We have other Florentine girls, honey, like Big Gucci, Ferragamo, they're also from Florence as well. I'm really, really impressed with them. I think it's just come super quick. I think I ordered these on the 23rd. I'm filming this video on the 31st. I got the parcel yesterday. Girl, boo-boo, like, I'm very, very impressed. Don't forget, I live in Tanzania in East Africa. It's very hard for me to get things. I think I find Farfetch a bit more stressful because it's like, they get it from one shop, it comes from another shop, and then it's just like this really crazy stressful mess. Let's talk about fine jewelry. Let's talk about costume jewelry. I love costume jewelry. Love these like pearl hoop earring things. Love fine jewelry. I'm really glad I got these. I think I'm good. Like I said, I think I'll get the hoop earrings next. They have these other larger hoop earrings that are super cute. I think I'll get those next. And you get two of them. Again, recycled sterling silver that's gold plated. There are a lot of fine jewelry pieces that I'm looking at from a wide range of brands like Pomellato, which is also from Italy. I'm looking at some fine jewelry pieces that are from this brand called Era. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. I'll insert a picture here of this piece that I'm looking at. There's also some cute costume jewelry from Ferragamo that I like. I love this, and I'm really considering getting this. This is also on LUISA by ROMA's website, but it's available in South Africa, so I think I might just wait to go to South Africa. I want to build my profile at Bulgari this year as well, so I'd love to pick up some pieces from them as well. What kind of fine jewelry are you guys looking for? Please consider like, commenting, and sharing my videos, and also subscribing. Join my Facebook group if you love luxury unboxings and hauls. You can join the group. You can post your own unboxings and your own things that you've picked up. I buy things periodically. My shopping philosophy is I don't have rules. I know people have no buys, people don't buy things in January, they don't buy things in February, they're minimalist, they have capsule wardrobes. I don't have rules, girl. When I want to buy something, I'll go ahead and buy it. I think that works for me. That way, no one can come and moan at me and say, you said you're a minimalist, you said you're a no-buy person. I'm like, I said I'm nothing. I am Kigam who's going to buy things whenever I want. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video.